You are going to love the 2019 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious, high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, remote engine start, automatic transmission, stability control, front license plate bracket, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.